اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد رسولنا النبي الأمي
What sort of impact can he have at this club? We're about to find out. Stay with us on EA TV.
وضياؤها وشفيعنا يوم الحساب.
Hello everyone and welcome. What we can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis, it's Stuart Robson. And we have pre-season group stage action coming right up for you. It's Real Madrid taking on Liverpool.
Well, thanks, Derek. Now it's time to see whether this initial fitness training and development of tactics has been successful. Will there be any change? Formations. These games are great to assess how these teams are evolving.
It might be. Terrific save. Going short. And a fine cross. And they deal with the threat this time. And let's dissect the Real Madrid side. Thibaut Courtois is the keeper of choice. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Luka Modric plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And beginning the game up front today, Karim Benzema. So the starting lineup for Liverpool. Alisson gets the nod in goal. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside Joe Gomez in central defence. Sadio Mane starts with Mohamed Salah out wide. And leading the attack today is Roberto Firmino. Well, a significant reorganisation within the football club and a new manager in place. What sort of impact are you expecting from him?
Well, it's a big appointment, so he has to get off to a good start here. And with the players they've got, they have to be challenging for the title come the end of the season, that's for sure.
Courtois with the easy save. Vinicius Junior. Can they forge ahead? Terrific piece of anticipation. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Mane. Here's Robertson. Roberto Firmino. Moving into the advanced position. Has eyes for goal. Oh, it's an unbelievable save by Courtois. Taken short. In towards Salah. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Danger averted for now. The referee has given the advantage to Real Madrid. And both hands on it. Good goalkeeping. Fabinho. It's with Roberto Firmino. Excellent vision. Well, the danger is still there. And Kroos failed to hold it. That's excellent defending following the cross. So the corner played into the box. Oh, super header, but the goalkeeper was up to the task. Well, this won't hurt the Liverpool cause. Corner awarded as they attempt to nudge in front. It might still be problematic. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Can they keep it going? Storm weathered, it seems. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Teammate available and able to get a body in the way. Corner kick played in. And an effective clearance. Not a very complicated catch for the keeper. And cleared away. It is advantage Liverpool here. Roberto Firmino. Good visualisation and execution. Well, he failed to get it away properly. And problem solved for now. A good and fair challenge. Andrew Robertson. Roberto Firmino. Has a go. Superb stop. And he's fired over the corner. Still not clear. Alexander-Arnold. Determined block.
Well, those stats tell you what a good game this has been. We've seen a lot of good attacking play, plenty of goal-mouth action, and all done at a high tempo. It's been very entertaining so far.
Well, the keeper is happy the bar was there. Roberto Firmino. Just 1 minute of stoppage time, say the officials. Determined defending. That is that for the first half here. Well, give us your critique, Stuart, on Karim Benzema. Will he be a bit disappointed with himself?
Well, he didn't contribute.
And so the second half gets underway. Almost a case of the two teams saying to each other, whatever you can do, I can do just as well. David Alaba. Well, they keep the ball moving. Vinicius Junior might go ahead. It's in the net thanks to Karim Benzema.
Well, as you can see, he just about gets that right. Some would say it's slightly lucky. I would say it's perfect placement.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. Thiago. This is Salah. Can they hit on the break? Oh, in with a chance. Goalkeeper getting in the way. Superb save. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. So the corner played into the box. It didn't happen for them. And he's got the beating of his opponent. Well, danger averted thanks to his teammate. Alexander-Arnold. Well, reports abound in the sports blogs and tabloids and on the internet that Spurs may be about to get an exciting new squad addition, Stuart.
Well, no surprise there's been an official bid made.
And the keeper making sure there were no scraps for them to feed on. Benzema. And taking it away. 30 minutes left for play. Salah. And a strong tackle. Could be. Well, it really wasn't a great effort, was it? Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Can they keep it going? Gives it a go. It's still alive. Finally gathered by the keeper.
Well, that's a really good recovery. He had to be smart there.
Vinicius. Oh, good-looking run. Well, he couldn't quite hit the target, Stuart.
Well, it's a decent effort, but I don't think it was ever going to trouble the goalkeeper.
And the substitution will occur now. Thiago. And Diaz has it. Robertson. Liverpool with acres of space out wide. Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. "20 minutes to go. Mendy. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Thiago. It's with Roberto Firmino. Beautifully weighted ball. Salah. Oh, mopping up defensively. Matip. Well, they continue their push for the equaliser, but definitely not forcing it. That's a useful cross. Well, the clearance half-hearted. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. On and on he goes. Cuts it back. Oh, a fine save at this point in the game.
Well, he's just about kept them in it, but time's against them here.
Time for a change then. Playing it in. What an important piece of defending. And a goal! And you've got to say, they definitely took a deflection off the defender.
Well, there it is. Quite clearly, it takes a deflection, and that's enough to beat the keeper. Not much he could do there.
Well, a second goal for them here. Alexander-Arnold. Robertson. There wasn't much in that offside decision. Could have been in business. It's a weighted pass. And it's there for Karim Benzema. And there it is. That will put the seal on victory if there were any lingering doubts.
Well, let's look at this again. He's done superbly well to pick out a teammate here, and the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
3 goals without reply. Thiago. Jota. Here's Salah. And he's gone into an illegal position, unfortunately. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. He's in with a chance. And a long way out here. Well, plenty of power, but just too much height on it. Andrew Robertson. So there goes the final whistle. Real Madrid victorious, and their fans are going to be happy with this.
Well, Derek, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? Particularly impressed with their play going forward. Really lively and almost cutting through at will at times. The result never much in doubt, if I'm honest.
And the shining light for his side, Karim Benzema.
Well, I have to say, that was impressive. Not just his goals, but his all-round play. He was excellent.
Hello everyone, our action tonight comes to you from Japan. We're in the city of Osaka. My name is Derek Ray, excited to be bringing you match commentary. And alongside me, my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And we have more live action from the pre-season second group stage. It's Chelsea taking on Real Madrid.
Well, Derek, both teams will want to get to the knockout stage, so we'll be looking for 3 points here today. And it may be pre-season, but there's still silverware on offer, and that will give them confidence going forward into the new campaign.
There's a slide rule pass. Oh, he saved it.
Well, excellent from the keeper. That's a really top-class save.
And over comes the corner. Well, clattered away. Superbly read and executed. Karim Benzema, who's played at such a high level in an attacking sense for so long. Stuart, what do you anticipate seeing from him here?
Well, Derek, in the last game, he was absolutely outstanding. It wasn't just the 2 goals that he scored, but it was his general play, his link-up play, his ability to run beyond defenders, his ability on the ball to create. I think we're going to see more of the same today.
Well, he stopped them just when they looked menacing. And a timely intervention. Timo Werner. Kai Havertz. Now he must favour the cross. Well, no real accuracy, and easy for the keeper. Werner. And he covered back the first goal of the contest.
Well, I can't believe he's missed the target there. That's a poor finish.
Karim Benzema is with Vinicius Junior. So plenty of forward momentum from Real Madrid here. Oh, good defending to stop a decent-looking attack. Lukaku. Havertz. It's a weighted pass. Well, the defending needed to be a bit more switched on than that. Modric! And in! Oh, yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive. And then the shot could not be hit any better. Struck with such venom. Great goal.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. Havertz. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. Cross could be useful. Frantic action from one end to the other. They weren't ahead for long, and this match is level again.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
So in business once more, on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Can he find the net? Oh, magnificent from the keeper. Fantastic stop. Over it comes. Well, thumped clear. Conte. Plenty of room in the wide area. Conte. Delivered into the box. And he's clear as lines. Just cutting off the supply. Giving it a try. Able to get a body in the way. Toni Kroos. On to Benzema. And slipped through by Karim Benzema. Majestic piece of goalkeeping.
Well, he loves the big moments, doesn't he? And he's proved it again there. Great goalkeeping.
Read it well. Toni Kroos. I must say, this looks promising. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Werner. And Havertz. Chilwell. Can he take the chance? Oh, a stellar piece of defending. So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said. Chance to cross. Just made sure nothing came of that. The first half here comes to an end. Well, Kai Havertz, very difficult to contain in the first half. Teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Casemiro. What a pass that lacks quality. Werner. Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. Benzema. Luka Modric. This attack looks highly promising. Ready at the back post is Karim Benzema. That's a nice looking ball. And you need your defender to take charge. Element of risk there, but he's won the ball. Well, it has been a colossal TV and newspaper story. Thomas Lemar could well be on his way to PSG.
Well, the reported fee is around £45 million, which is about right, I would say, for a player of his quality. It's now just a matter whether they find that acceptable.
Can he play it in? Cuts it back. Oh, so close, but just unable to keep the shot down. And the substitution will occur now. Modric. Really good challenge. Lukaku. Azpilicueta. Rather than a free kick, it's advantage Chelsea. Oh, surely. Keeper did his job to begin with. And a goal! Well, it looks easy when you can put them away like that.
Well, the initial save is a good one, as you can see, but unfortunately it dropped straight to an opponent. A bit unlucky, really.
Action underway once more. A wake-up call for the Real players, maybe. Can they find a response now? Well read to ease the pressure. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Great strong tackle. Throw in forthcoming. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. Mateo Kovacic. That's a splendid pass from Romelu Lukaku. Oh, a save right out of the top drawer. Super stop.
I'm not sure why the fans are so upset. I think the referee got that absolutely right.
Giving them a different option by moving in field. Oh, good work by the keeper. N'Golo Kanté. Just 20 minutes remaining now. And Chelsea struggling to keep the ball. Lukaku. Well, he's gone back to give the free kick, the referee here. He tried to play advantage, but it didn't accrue. No yellow card, instead a firm warning from the official. Well, no surprise to see him go for goal, but a routine save in the end. Room to roam for the Merengues here. It needs an accurate cross. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. Cuts it back. And a goal! The keeper couldn't stop it. Real Madrid on terms.
Well, let's have another look at this, because he does really well to pick the right pass here. And then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
Well, it has taken a Herculean effort for them to get back to level pegging under these trying circumstances.
Well, this is going to be a frantic finish, and these Chelsea fans are certainly playing their part. There's probably one more big chance coming their way. If they take it, this place will go wild.
10 minutes left for play. N'Golo Kanté. Still level, but Chelsea on the attack, near the end. But quick thinking defensively. That's how to blunt the edge of the opposing attack. This might be ideal for the counter. They need to get bodies back. Can they forge ahead? No! And all because of the goalkeeper. Margins, margins.
Well, he has done well there, but he should have won the game. They probably won't get another chance now.
Both managers deciding this is the time to change things around. Both teams going to the bench. So the corner played into the box. And he clears the danger. Vinicius Junior. And the decision is one of offside here. Werner. Here's Kovacic. Lovely ball over the top. Magnificent defending. Still level. Real Madrid continue to look for what could be a winner. Offside, a tight one. N'Golo Kanté. Mount. And on to Kovacic. Might really be able to trouble them here. A strong hand on the ball. Well, this corner could be pivotal. It might represent the last chance to get in front in the dying moments. Not the result from the set piece they were looking for. And there is the referee's whistle for full time. Even Steven here, they can't be separated. We were treated to goals. And Stuart, interested to get your verdict.
Well, Derek, what a good game it was. Plenty of chances, some good attacking play and a couple of outstanding individual performances. I really enjoyed that one.
A positive night's work for Karim Benzema. Sum up his performance for us.
Well, he certainly had some quiet spells in the game, but take nothing away from him. That was a really good goal and key to the result.